Need to open or read PDF files on your PC or laptop but don't know which software to use. In this video, I'll show you the official and safest way to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader step by step. Let's get started. Now start by opening your preferred browser, such as Google Chrome, and go to your search engine. Make sure you're using a secure browser with no suspicious extensions. Search for Adobe Acrobat Reader and ensure you click on the official link at adobe.com. Here's a critical warning. Always check for adobe.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites that look identical. On the Adobe landing page, uncheck any optional add-ons like McAfee Security Scan Plus if you don't want it. And click the Download Acrobat Reader button. Here's a pro tip. Adobe tries to include extra software by default, so always look for those checkboxes before downloading. Open your File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, and double-click the downloaded setup file to begin installation. This is the most important step, so don't close any windows during the process. And wait for the installation to finish, then click Finish to launch Adobe Acrobat Reader.